Hey guys, Phoenix here, and today I just want to show you my new pet dog. Boss, we've named him Boss, by the way. Kiki! Oh, ain't he cute? He's in Newfoundland and he's only 1 year old. And look how big he is. He's bigger than me now. Like when he stands on his 2 legs. It's ridiculous. Ain't it, Boss? No, it's mine. Ah! He's even stronger than me. Oh. Look at him go. Come here! I don't want to stand on the grass because I've got bare feet. Oh, and if you're wondering why I call myself Phoenix when it's actually Nick Wilson, it's because I get bored of that name, so I just change it to Phoenix. Come here! Come here! Come here! Okay, that was all for today, guys. I know it's a pretty short video, only 1 minute 44 seconds long, but who cares?